happened the last time we tested?
Stop! This would never have happened if we had verified this robot's safety. Let's rewind.
01, expect wonders.
Wait, will we really have to restart from scratch on the next version comes out? Ah.
Come on, it'll be faster if we use Chimera.
We can ask ChatGPT to generate a proof. We don't even need to trust it.
Can we use more robots? A lot more?
Well, one crash is unlucky. A swarm of robots? Better hope they're verified.
I discovered the most elegant axiom ever. Wait, it's not sound.
It's alright. Failure's temporary. Fixed points are forever.
I don't feel much better.
Okay, all we need to do is find a witness. Of a witness, of a witness.
Shut up!
Finished. Now let's try this again.